Go Faith, Kenya for Faith.
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 We are in Eldoret, Banias Square, and we are here to celebrate faith. This is the home for all our athletes. It resonates very well to our athletics, us being in Eldoret City. And the reason why Safaricom we want to associate with athletics is because it speaks to our strategy, it speaks to our mission, and of course our vision to transform lives. Looking at what Faith has done, looking at the records and the medals that she's won, it's really inspiring. It has inspired youth, it has inspired women, it has inspired our athletics. And that is why today we say at Safaricom, we want to come and partner with her, we want to show solidarity, and of course to rally behind her.
Courtesy of Faith, I've won myself a voucher of 40,000 Kenya shillings. For sure, Faith, I'm really proud of you.
I was selected randomly, and Safaricom or M-Pesa being the best brand for me, and I was being told to choose between the box and the M-Pesa. I chose the M-Pesa. So when they were telling me to choose between box and the M-Pesa, I chose the M-Pesa box. I think God has used this day to give me the reward.
Thank you, Faith, for representing Kenya. 4 minutes. We love you.
Yay! I like it.